Now that you've heard what not to do in terms of picking up your skincare products, a lot of you have been asking, so what to do? How do I even pick some right products until I reach the dermatologist? But for a lot of you people who don't want to go to a dermatologist, which is all right, and then you still want to keep your skin maintained, let's say, and pick up the basic things. So I still stand by what I told you the other day on the video, where for the complex things, for the actives, leave it to your dermatologist. For solution of problems on your skin, leave it to your dermatologist. For a basic care, what do you do? Which means to say, how do you pick the right face wash, right moisturizer, and maybe just a right sunscreen and a night cream. How do you go about doing that? So here's what you need to do. First of all, you need to know your skin type. Second, you kind of need to know your ambient temperature, humidity, a bit of what's happening in the ambience. Number three, you need to kind of know what are the sensorials that you like, right? So the first thing, how do you know what is your skin type? So what you need to do is wash your skin clean, tie your hair up, and go to bed with the fan on and the windows open. So no air condition, no room heaters. So you go to bed with also no skincare product on your face. The next morning when you wake up, what you see on your skin is what is your skin type. Which means to say, you could take a plain like a hand tissue or a face tissue, put it on your face, dab it tight, and then just open it, and you will see either patches like a map of areas which are oily, which are not so oily, areas that may stick to your face, areas which may not stick to your face. So you figure out what is your oily area as against what is your dry areas of the face. Now everyone may not have a dry skin or an oily skin or a combination where the T-zone is oily. You may have different combinations of all of this. Some people might just have a forehead which is oily. Some might have just a chin which is oily. So you basically map your face. And then the second most important thing for you to know is something called as hydration, right? So you need to, your skin could be oily, it could be dry. In both cases, it could be dehydrated. So how do you make that out? You will end up feeling that stretchy feeling in the morning, and you will feel that skin's oily, but then you still feel that there is something happening there, which makes you feel dry from within. So you know that feeling. So that's a dehydrated skin. If it feels sensitive, red, and if it is burning by the time you put the tissue and you take it out, or in the morning, the minute you wash your face and put water or put the morning cream, if you think the skin's burning, then you know it's a sensitive and dry skin. So these are two additional things. Is it sensitive? Is it dehydrated? Along with oily, dry combination. Now, beyond this, there's a lot of complexities of many, many different types. That leave it to your dermatologist, like I was telling you. Now, once you figure out what is your skin type, you need to know your ambience, which is easy to figure out. Click a few information on your Google, it will tell you what is the temperature, what is the humidity, so you kind of figure that out. And then you need to see what is the face wash that you pick up, just one face wash, which is very easy today to pick up, right? On the face wash, please don't try and decipher the ingredients like I again said. Simple. They would have written for oily skin, for combination skin, for dry skin. So pick one of those face washes which suits your skincare best, depending again on what you want to spend, what you believe in, organic, inorganic, any of those. Figure out one face wash. You figure out a sunscreen, which is very important. If you are the ones who want to be very simple, you could want to do a day cream with an SPF. Even that is enough for the day. And then your night cream, again, according to your skin type. So something very water-based, something very light if it is a oily skin, something creamy, buttery, heavy if it is a dry skin. And then depending on the combinations, you can also map your face. You can put maybe the water-based in the center, oily and creamy cream on the sides, depending on what the skin type is. Now, this is what you do to just take care of skin. Cleanse well, protect during the day, and nourish during the night. You could look for an antioxidant extra in the night. A combination of those creams can also really do good. Just a few vitamins in combination, you may get some creams. Berry extracts, you can look at all of this, which is harmless, but will do that little good for you. This is the way you pick your skin creams. So that's basic skincare. If you say, doc, I don't want to do anything, then I would say just pick one moisturizer. That will do the magic for everything, and you could use a regular face wash that you can just pick up over the counter, which is for normal skin. This also can be done. So there you go. Get back to basics. Choose your basics right. A lot can be achieved just with getting the basics right. The complexities, leave it to the expert.